Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me in my little corner of the internet where I discuss all things planners, fountain pens, and fountain pen inks. This week I will be decorating in my passport planner. This is a cover from Bujo Planner, and then my passport planner is actually an A6 Hobonichi notebook that I cut down to a passport size. And that is a super cute clip from Coffee Monsters Co. with the little emoji bum. So let's open this up here. I've already got the grid set up for the week. Let's zoom in here. Perfect. And I'm holding the page down with this little clip that I got from Cult Pens when I placed an order. I think you can actually buy a bundle of these from Cult Pens. All right, so what I'll be decorating with this week are actually some just leftover stickers from According to Allie. These are what's left of the granny core. I actually use the rest of these in my journal, and then one granny flower. I'll show what the full sticker sheets look like here, and then if you would like to order them, you can use code Karina10 for 10% off. All right, so this is the hard thing about decorating the passport planner, is that it is such a small planner. And I want to be able to use the sticker. Okay, and I think I can. So I'm going to cut this down. I'm actually going to cut it all the way through. And then seeing where that goes, I'll probably cut it about there. Okay, I know, and I don't mind cutting up my sticker sheets like that. So there's the one in the corner. It may not line up perfectly straight, but I'm okay with that. Okay, then I don't want the whole spread to be completely taken up by just this flower. I do want to add these in. So I'm going to be very, I guess, careful about the placement of these based on just what I have in terms of plans and to-dos. So let's place this here. And then maybe the rest of that flower here. Then this flower, I'm going to cut in half like this. I may not use it all because already space is a premium with this planner. But I love this, like this sticker. I don't know where I could fit it on Thursday, because if I look at Thursdays aren't like a high to-do list type of day, but neither is like Tuesday. So I mean, if I put it there or there, I could put it there. No, I can't. No, I'd have to put it here. Again, it's really big. Then it doesn't look like I will really have the room to use these. I mean, I could. Okay, let's just do that. Or this, or this, or why am I overthinking that? Just put the sticker down. Then, let's see. Oh, hold on here. Like, these little candies are adorable. Because who remembers these from your childhood? Okay, you know what? I'm going to actually put in all of my functional pieces, like write in my to-do list and things like that. And then once I've done that, then I can decide how I'm going to add the rest of those stickers. So I need to write in the dates. And I think I just wrote that with, there we go, my new, what is this? Pen given to me by Eileen. Thank you very much. So Monday is the 15th, right? 16th. Double checking with you. 15th, 16th, yes, because the Sunday is the 14th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and the 21st. Perfect. Okay, then have I decided what ink I'm going to use? I actually always have this little cheat sheet with me with all of my currently ink so that I can see which ink would best match. I wish I had a blue like that right now that was inked, but there's saguaro green that could go, or even earth, but I feel like I used that last week. And maybe like the pinks are like it's too red. Why is this so hard? Like, honestly, why do I make this so hard? I could use Dusted Truffle that's in my Model K Heimdall, and let's use the new Hachimanjia, and that has Kobe strawberry chocolate. So the days of the week, thing is, there's not enough pink in here. I feel like that would pull all of that out. Brown? No, I'll do the Dusted Truffle for the days of the week. Let me just agitate the pen a little bit to get the shimmers around there. So the days of the week, I'm going to just write in. And I know this process of planning right now and the way that I'm decorating is going to be different once I do have my Sterling ink passport booklet. I won't need to draw out the grid for everything or write in all the days of the week unless I want to. But it'll be dated, which will make things a little bit easier. I'm very focused on writing the days of the week because I'm sure I'll get it wrong one day. Okay, now for my shifts, let's move the scissors, or my schedule, not my shifts, but my schedule for next week is going to be slightly different because of doctor's appointments and things that have had to be worked around. So, okay, let's see here. Monday, my schedule is actually 8:30 to 6. How did I write this in? Like, I forget what I did the previous week. So 8:30 to 6. Tuesday is the same. And then Wednesday, I'm done at 5. Thursday, there are a few things that I have to write in here. But Thursday, I start at noon. So I'm actually going to write that here. Because there's other appointments that I need to take into account. And then Friday is, I believe, my usual schedule. Yes. Okay. Then Saturday, Henry has his swimming. I have plans as well. So let's see. See, now that I'm writing this in here, like I knew I didn't have enough space. And that might drive me nuts. Okay. So then appointments. There are a few appointments this week. So Wednesday, I have therapy. Thursday, the kids have their physicals. And then I have lab work that needs to be done. Then Henry has swimming. And then do I have anything going on this Sunday? I don't think I do. I have to double check. I also forgot on Saturday something important. Yeah, wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm mixing these up completely. I'm like thinking of this Saturday, but no, it's next Saturday. And I think that's it from what I can see. Yeah, I'm looking at my schedule on my iPad right now because that's just the way my brain works. then nothing on the Sunday. Okay. Now I can go in here and start writing my to-do list as well. So Monday, it's the usual meal plan and order groceries. Ooh, not enough room. And then Tuesday, put out garbage. Oh, forgot here, I need to transfer funds. And then on the 16th, I do have to call and cancel my credit card. Then Wednesday, nothing as yet. And then here on Thursday, pick up groceries. Friday, nothing. And then Saturday, cleaning. So we have bathrooms and our usual vacuuming, windows, etc. Okay, so now I can get to the weather. I'm using this stamp that I purchased off AliExpress, and I actually really love it because even though the colors I thought wouldn't match with every spread, so far it has. So weather next week is, oh, I like those temperatures. So Monday, it is cloudy. Make sure it's centered. And Tuesday, it is sunny. Wednesday, sunny. This week's weather, though, has been fantastic. I don't like that, but it'll do. Friday, sun and cloud. So sun and cloud. And same with Saturday. And then Sunday, it's supposed to be raining. Okay. But yeah, this week we've had amazing temperatures, anywhere to, like today, it's supposed to get to a high of 29 Celsius, which is actually way too warm for me. But it's extended summer, which is lovely. So Monday, these are more comfortable for me. The high is 22. 7 straight. High is 22, and the low is 14. And Tuesday, the high is 23 with a low of 12. Wednesday, the high is 24, low of 12. Thursday, with the rain, the high is only 16 with a low of 11. And Friday, high of 16 with a low of 8. Saturday, high of 18 with a low of 10. And then Sunday, oh, I remembered what Sunday, high of 18, low of 11. Remember that Lucy has a grooming appointment at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock, Lucy. Okay, so now the bottom part, I keep forgetting that I should be writing with this pen, but I'm just using what I have currently inked. Okay, this bottom part is where I'm going to put my tracker. And actually, looking back to last week, it's worked out really well. I've been really happy with this, but now I can't find these mild liners anywhere. I put them somewhere and they've disappeared. So I've got to have a search for them. But anyway, so days of the week in the middle, workouts, and then the habits. And I've really liked how that's worked so far. So we'll start here. Like if I can do the habits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then so Monday, Tuesday, okay, all the days of the week down here. And then the habits. So we've got vitamins, my audiobook, my nighttime routine, and then no spend. And then this side will be workouts. Then I'm going to use these mild liners here. And part of me thought that I should just mark it in once I've done it, but I really like the color of them there and then checking it off once I've done it. So I think I'm going to continue doing that. So doing the dots, and these zig clean color dots with the circles are perfect. Oh, you know what? These colors are working really well. Oh, that's lighter than I thought it would be. And the last one. Perfect. Oh, I love that. Really cute. Really cute. All right, that is it for my passport planner, all set to go for next week. I hope I captured everything. And if I didn't, I'll add it in later. All right, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.